Hi guys, my name is Hunter Hawkins, and today, for my future project presentation, I'm going to be talking to you about the military of Pakistan. So, just a quick introduction. My name is Hunter Hawkins, like I said, and I'm going to be talking to you about the military in Pakistan in the past, present, and how it will affect the future of the people of Pakistan. Armed forces in Pakistan have been known to control the nation, and in this presentation, I will discuss details of their military. This is a very broad discussion, but I hope through my presentation you'll be able to know more about the specific military regiment of Pakistan. So, Pakistan military strength. According to the global firepower, Pakistan is currently in the top 25 among other countries for strongest military in the world. United States is currently ranked number 1 in military strength worldwide, just to give you a comparison. Pakistan's military is divided into different regiments like how the USA does it, but with different names and responsibilities. Pakistan has roughly 919,000 people enrolled, of which 637,000 are in active duty for their country, currently serving in the military, as of 2018. Throughout the past 80 years and beyond, almost 70% of Pakistan's forces have been deployed to its east border of India and the many wars with them. Plagued with war against India. As we have learned throughout the readings in class, the relationship between Pakistan and India never mended. In 1948, due to the Indian forces building numbers, Pakistan rushed, gathering people, materials, ammunition, and vehicles to combat the threat against enemies approaching their border. This border war against India lasted for 3 years until Pakistan halted the attacks after multiple battles. There were thousands of lives lost for both sides, but the Pakistan forces sustained significant losses to their numbers. In 1965, another war broke out between Pakistan forces and India when India intruded into the Pakistan area called Rann of Kutch. Pakistan defended itself and fought back to neutralize the attacks. Years later, in 1971, another war broke out between India. India had 400,000 troops attacking Pakistan. This war lasted many months until other nations became involved and a ceasefire followed. Ultimately, Pakistan did not benefit from the results, and political and military problems followed with the ceasefire. Taliban influence on Pakistan military. The Taliban influence in events in Pakistan have affected the nation and required military involvement. The military has constantly been trying to withstand the attacks from the Taliban, and with the help of other countries, they've been able to do this. Throughout the years, some of the Taliban's top leaders have been in Pakistan. Most recognized event, the death of Fazullah in Pakistan. Drone warfare has grown into many ways. Battles are fought in Pakistan between various countries. The United States has worked with Pakistani military to remove Taliban forces from Pakistan, and although drone warfare has claimed innocent lives, the drone warfare has been very successful in fighting against the Taliban and for the Pakistan military. What is in the future for Pakistani military? Because of the relationship that the USA currently has with Pakistan, we do not have any information on what the Pakistan military has planned or where they will grow. But we do hold a good relationship with them. A government official says, we have no desire to occupy any part of Pakistan or split up any part of Pakistan. We have no intent to split the Islamic world. And I can keep going on because we're as aware of these conspiracy theories as much as anyone, and they're all nonsense. And so what this quote is referencing is that in the past, it has been people have been scared that the USA was going to try to invade Pakistan and to be able to have part of the country controlled by the United States so that they could have a better central location to watch the Taliban and keep better tracks on them. But because of the relationship, we have not done that, and I doubt that we will do that in the future. The United States is currently working on providing Pakistan with more drone technology and military equipment to suit them for intelligence, surveillance, vehicles, and aircrafts. This is being done in exchange for information on terrorist groups. My personal thoughts on Pakistan's military future. Because of the economic woes, political fraud, and power determined by military influence, predicting the future of Pakistan's future regarding to military is very difficult. There were no articles that I found that provided concise evidence predicting what could or will take place based off vast variables. I think that the best way to predict the future of their military is to look at the past. Pakistan has been torn by political imbalance and military conquest for power in various wars with India and other nations. The Taliban's influence has plagued their country. I would bet money that the United States will continue to stay an important asset to the Pakistan military, and we will be the source of resources in exchange for information and help against terrorist threats. Pakistan's military is not the biggest or strongest, but it plays a key role in the future of the world. So my concluding thoughts after doing the research on this presentation is that I hope that you were able to learn some facts about the military of Pakistan. It has been enjoyable for me to dive deeper on the past and the future of Pakistan military. The military of Pakistan is one of the most liquid militaries in the world. It'll always be changing. Although, like I said, it's not the strongest, the relationship that Pakistan military holds with other nations is crucial for both Pakistan and the nation that it works with. And these were the resources that I did for my presentation. Thank you very much.